In this video, we're going to learn how to link individual cells to chart titles. So we need to insert a new chart. We'll go for this one here. In the quick layout, let's make sure there's axes on both sides. Now, one way of doing it could be to simply enter the chart title name. So you could type company, performance, blah, blah, blah. However, there's an easier way. Highlight the area, hit enter, and select the cell that you want to appear in the chart and hit enter again. You can do the same thing for the axis on the left, enter in thousands. Now, the benefit of this is that each time we decide to alter the title of the table, this gets automatically updated with the new chart name, as opposed to having to go back and manually change it. So for example, company performance, we'll change that to, let's say, organizational performance. Notice how this will automatically change in the chart. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.